Right guys, easiest way to pop off this EGR valve on this Powerstroke. After you've disconnected the wiring right there and taken off the two 8mm bolts, one on this side, one on the opposite side over here, guys, use this as a leverage point. You want to break the seal, guys, because those O-rings are really hung in there. Just pry on it, guys. Use that as a pry point right there. Look at that. Boom. It broke loose, guys. Now you can turn it back and forth. Another thing, guys, grab yourself 2 screwdrivers, one on the opposite side of where it's at. Turn it, guys, just like that, because this looks the same on the other side, guys. Check it out. Looks the same on the other side. Stick both screwdrivers underneath the ears, guys. Stick both screwdrivers underneath the ears, guys, and it's off, guys. It's off.